Captain Deadeye here, scourge of the Santa Barbara coast and parts of Bakersfield. You know, I generally drink, and when I do, I prefer Tres Equis. Now that's interesting. Which reminds me of our parrot. I don't know why. I fired Crackers, our last parrot. I got tired of rolling over and finding crackers in my bed. So we got a new parrot. He wouldn't tell us his name, but I put him straight to work. How? Well, first you grab him by the feet, and then use him to clean out cannon barrels. Now that ruffled a few feathers. Occasionally I just use him for a little light dusting. Have you ever seen a parrot sneeze?
No.
It's not what you think. Well, meanwhile, our lookout Four Eyes fell out of the crow's nest. Again. I swear that man could not spot an elephant in a rowboat. I know I saw it, but that's another story. Anyway, I made the new bird acting lookout and sent him to the crow's nest. Well, a few days later, I've not heard a word from him. I'd like to say the bird isn't holding up his end, but I've seen the poop deck. I climb up to the crow's nest to give the bird a piece of my mind when I discover that he's converted it into a little hot tub. He's lounging in a little deck chair, sunning himself, drinking champagne, and is surrounded by a flock of cute young chicks. Well, never being one to miss a good party, I joined right in. A couple of hours and a few drinks later, I made the bird cruise director. Since then, things have been much more fun aboard, Chip. And I must say, morale is at an all-time high. And speaking of high, that brings us back to Tres Equis. Tres Equis. Don't leave home without it. Oh, and always remember, life is a conflict of interests.
Captain Deadeye's views are not necessarily those of rational human beings. Adult supervision is strongly recommended.
Announcer played by Peter Godinez. All-around tech guy, Rod Cordero. This entire mess produced by M.K. Wilcox for the Wilcox Partnership.